Your model is now complete. Let's export it and talk about what you can do with it. Plus, some quick cleanup techniques to make it production ready. Once processing completes, your model is automatically saved in your project folder. Navigate to the Meshroom cache, texturing, and then you'll find these weird numbers. You'll find the textured mesh object file, which is the model and the texture files. You can access this through the node in the graph editor. The object file can be opened in virtually any 3D software. To export in different formats, you can open it in Blender and then simply export it as different file formats. Or you can use Meshroom's export options if they're available in the version you want. The texture files must stay in the same file as the object file. They're linked. Before exporting, you can do a basic cleanup. In the meshing node, adjust max input points for a smoother, more detailed mesh. Use the mesh filtering node to remove small disconnected pieces. Adjust smoothing iterations to reduce noise. For more control, export and clean in an external software. But Meshroom's built-in filtering works in most cases if properly set up. I won't go heavily into this, but in Blender you can remove unwanted geometry such as the ground plane, artifacts. You can decimate the mesh to reduce the polygon count, refine textures and materials, even animate or render. In MeshLab, which is also free, you can smooth mesh and fill holes, reduce the polygon count, and repair some common mesh errors. I use Rhino because I'm used to it and I've already paid for it. So what can you do with photogrammetry models? You can 3D print them or put them in a game. You can look at them in AR or VR. There's a multitude of things that you can do, including archival, preserving objects digitally, 3D animation, and architecture. It can be used as built documentation. Now you've got a complete photogrammetry workflow. Start simple and work your way up to more complex projects. Each project teaches you something. Now get out there and start scanning. Thanks for watching.